Have you ever wondered how to create a Google account? In this digital age, a Google account is invaluable. It's a passport to a world of possibilities, from professional networking on LinkedIn to educational pursuits on Coursera, or even just catching up on your favorite shows on YouTube. It's more than an email address. It's your key to the vast digital universe. So stay tuned as we unravel the process of creating a Google account in easy-to-follow steps. Before starting, ensure you have all the necessary information at your fingertips. Now let's talk about what this information is. To create a Google account, you'll need three key pieces of information. Firstly, a unique username. This could be your name, a nickname, or something fun and personal. Just remember, it needs to be unique across all of Google's platform. Secondly, a strong password. Your password should be a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. This isn't just a hurdle to jump over, it's your first line of defense against any unwanted access to your account. So make it tough to crack. Lastly, you'll need a recovery email or phone number. This is your safety net. If you ever forget your password or if your account is compromised, Google will use this information to help you regain access. Now that you have all the necessary information, it's time to dive into the creation process. Creating a Google account is a straightforward process. Let's begin. The first step on this journey is to navigate to the Google account creation page. It's as easy as typing "Create a Google account" into your preferred search engine and clicking on the first result. Once you're on the right page, you'll see a button that says Create Account. Give that a click and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the For Myself option. This is the personal account option, perfect for individual use. Now you're ready to start filling in your details. You'll see several fields that need to be filled out. Start with your first name, then move on to your last name. These should be your real, legal names, as Google uses this information for security purposes. Next, you'll need to create a unique username. This will be your new email address, so choose something that represents you well. Remember, it has to be unique, so if your first choice is taken, you might have to get a little creative. Finally, it's time to create a password. Make sure this is something secure that you can remember, but it's not easily guessable. And voila! You've laid down the groundwork for your Google account. Halfway there, you've successfully entered your basic information. Let's move on to the next steps. Now that you've entered your basic information, it's time to secure your account. Next, Google will ask you for a recovery email or phone number. This is a crucial step in protecting your account. If you ever forget your password or can't access your account, Google will use this information to help you regain access. So input a phone number or an email address that you regularly use and can easily access. Moving on, you'll be asked to provide your birthday and gender. This information helps Google personalize your experience and ensure your account's security. Remember, the more accurate the information, the better Google can serve you. Once you've filled out these details, you'll be directed to the Privacy and Terms section. This is a long read, but well worth the time. It's important to understand how Google uses your data and what it does to protect your privacy. Don't just skim through. Take a moment to read and understand. Once you're comfortable, click on the I agree button. Finally, you'll be asked to verify your account. This is a simple step where Google sends you a unique code via text message or email. Enter this code when prompted and voila, you're all set. Congratulations, you've successfully created your Google account. Now you can unlock a world of opportunities. Creating a Google account is as simple as that. You've gathered your required information, followed the step-by-step guide, and voila, your account is up and running. It's crucial to remember your account details and keep them secure, as your Google account holds the key to a plethora of digital possibilities. It's your passport to a world of information, communication, and entertainment. Thank you for tuning in. Enjoy exploring the digital world with your new Google account.